12 volt, yeah?
Yeah, it'd be an idea. Well, we got lights. Whew. Bit of collateral getting it out, but it's got to be painted anyway. Sure it is. It's on the button, boys. I'll get the old chop on that. Right, so we're going to get it strapped on, get it back to Dan's, get it all stripped out. I've got a clutch to go in it, front mount to go in it. I better. That windscreen's savage, but never mind. I'm going to say bye to the horses.
Jump back in the caddy, right?
Yeah, Sam, did you turn the light off?
Hey?
Did you turn the light off? Sam. Hello. Sorry, we were very noisy, weren't we? Don't say hello. 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 Whoa. Whoa, hello. Just apologising for being noisy. I miss the cows. Cows are cool. Hey, do you know what you haven't done?
What?
Close my door properly.
On what?
My van.
Why not?
Nah. It's like you've just started working for me all over again.
Yeah. Trying to avoid all this fucking mud.
Yeah, I know.
Good to see you got your rear work lights on.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're working, aren't we?
Yeah, certainly.
It's the law.
What a cool out,
Door
boys.
shut.
Thanks, mate.
Uptime. Run the standard rear prop because there's too much of an angle on the rear rubber donut. So the rubber donut is like all to fuck basically. So hence the reason there's a different foot over there.
Oh, shit.
I've got to take the nose cone off, put onto a 4 bolt hole,
Mm.
and then I've got to get it shimmed for the correct spacing and the backlash. And then I'm going to go, fuck it, send it down to Devon 4x4 and get a locker in it.
Mate, we need to go there.
Yeah.
It's such a cool place.
Well, obviously, Flanny's down there, isn't he, my Red Bull club?
Yeah.
So I'll do it in a day.
That oil looks really clean. I don't know why.
You want the locks?
Yeah.
Yeah, then what's that?
Smells well gear. Where's one's what's that?
That oil. What is that oil?
Diesel. That had gear oil in it, didn't it?
Huh?
That had gear oil in it, I take it. At some point. Diff oil. Smell that? Obviously I dropped that in the thing. That's my farm.
Yeah, it's all going to drop on us, isn't it?
Yeah. Got wobbly bolts on it. What's that for?
Yeah, that's what I wanted to test.
It's probably the weirdest interaction I've ever caught on camera.
Oh, you recorded it?
Yeah.
Give me a free warning about it, because otherwise you'll stop saying shit.
The camera's literally flashing at you, mate.
I don't look at that, do I? Look into
You are now about to witness street knowledge. Fuck me.
So after a near on 10-minute wrestling exercise with this gearbox to get it out of the holder, I made the mother of all mess ups when I come to change the sump. Have a look at this.
Clutch and gearbox is back in, drive shafts are back on, their arms are all back on, blah blah blah. Next on the list of things to do is obviously the sump. Obviously we drained the oil out of that the other day. I'm going to swap this over now, get a new one on, and then hopefully we should be ready for a first start. So when you're rushing to get your job done, because it's the weekend, you're not actually going to be working, just be mindful that you're putting the right bolts in the right place, because when you bang your bolts back in, make sure they're the right size, because that has just fucked my day right up. Looks like that's the end of this engine. So we'll have to fill them up with oil, run it up, see if it leaks, hope for the fucking best.